Hey Mambo Vipi, welcome back to another Emma's episode. Now today what we're going to do is an eye tutorial, and that's because I had actually asked you guys on Instagram what you guys feel I should do next, and you guys suggested I do an eye tutorial. So I was torn between doing like an everyday eye tutorial or like a very, one that you won't wear on a daily basis. So anyway, let's dive into it. Going in with an LA Girls concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. Just start with that. Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Before we blend, just pack it all in, okay? Cream eyeshadow by Nina. That's in with my nude, and now I'm just blending it in with this shade, this particular one here and this one here. Okay, awesome. So you keep on doing that until you're satisfied with the look. It's nice and heavy. Thank you so much. That was like a mini tutorial of how you can use your eyeshadow. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you like the video, please share it, comment down below, leave a little message if you have any suggestions that you want us to do a video on. Tafadhali, let me know. Other than that, guys, onane.